In light of World Mental Health Day on Saturday, it has never been a more important time to talk about your mental well-being. The North East has the highest rates of suicide in the country and continues to be the biggest killer of men under 50 and younger people under 25.
It's important now more than it ever has been because the pandemic has put us all in a situation which we've never been used to, and that ultimately might compromise some people's mental health. And it's all about trying to look after your own mental health. We've all got mental health just as we have physical health, and what we do for our physical health may be things like eating the right foods and exercising, and those things can improve our mental well-being as well. But what's individual to you might be really quite important too. So we run a campaign called Be a Game Changer, which is all about trying to engage football fans in conversations around mental health. And through both of the foundations, we try and improve or try and address mental health issues that are within our region and try and provide support for people who may be struggling.
The initiative hopes to eliminate the stigma around men's mental health by providing support when people need it most. But what are the signs to look out for when people are struggling?
I think it's really important that we not only look after ourselves, but we look out for others and try and notice when other people's behaviours change and when we start to see some warning signs and some red flags as to the indication that somebody might be struggling. And if somebody is struggling, we reach out, and once people start to explain that they may be struggling, that's when we listen. And I think listening is such an important tool. I don't think we need to give advice. We're not professionals. There are professional help out there, and that's where we signpost to. But we give a listening, we give some ears, and we help somebody explain what's going on in their lives and allow them the time and the space to talk through some issues which they may be having. I think that's probably what we can all do for ourselves and what we can do for others to try and support our mental well-being.